Hi, I decided to come on and do a video real quick because I've had a couple dreams and also just to encourage people and just say that I really feel like something's about to happen and I think that might be a really good thing for us. So let me start out by telling the dream. I heard a sister say that she had a dream about planets. I've had a few dreams about planets, but I wanted to share the last couple I've had because I hadn't shared them yet. Okay, one of them, uh, the one that I had first, was about when I went outside to look in the sky was blue. I mean, real like a real pretty blue. And all of a sudden, I seen one of those sun halos or whatever they're calling sun halos. I don't know how it could be a sun halo. The things are huge. Okay, so I went out there and was looking and thought I saw one of these sun halos. Well, then the more I looked at it and focused on it, it's like I could start seeing the edges of it. Like all of a sudden, I realized that that wasn't a sun halo, it was a planet. And it was huge. And it was like right on top of us. And I just freaked out. I mean, as soon as I realized that it was really a planet, I freaked out. And I woke up because I was like, what? And how could it? I mean, it's huge. It's unreal. It's like, I don't know how many times size of Earth. I'd say probably at least 20 times bigger than the Earth, or what I perceive the Earth to be. Who knows how big the Earth really is? I don't believe nothing they say. But anyway, so that was that dream, and I woke up. The second dream, I went, I came outside once again. It's like I come out to look. I don't know if they told us that there's going to be some kind of eclipse. That's what happened a couple of times in my dreams before, is that we went out to look at an eclipse. Like, I don't know if the news told us or, because I don't even watch the news, so I guess I seen it online or something. And I go outside, and as soon as I go outside to my right hand, it's like the sky looks different. You know, like we go outside now and you see all them chemtrails and everything's like all cloudy and stuff, and you can't really see good most days because it's all cloud covered. Well, this is the way it was on the left hand side of the sky, but on the right hand side of the sky, it was clear as could be and a beautiful light blue, sunny day, and all these planets. I don't know exactly how many. I can think of three that I saw, but I think there was more, and I just wasn't able to see them all yet. But one of them was like red, and it has all these craters on it and stuff. And then there was another one that kind of looked like Jupiter in a way, um, but I think it was a different color. I can't remember the color of that one. I wanted to say it was blue or green, and then it was big. And then the next one was like a Saturn or something. It was like it had rings around it. And so they were just like right there. Like I could, like you feel like you could go jump on them. Same way with that big blue one. They were so close, you feel like you could literally touch them, but they're not that close. But they just look so huge because they are close. So then, right as I'm trying to take all this in and it's freaking me out, then all of a sudden, here comes this big, like, light coming across through the cloudy part of the sky right above my head is this light, and it goes over us, and you can tell it's got a tail on it or something. It's like a comet, and it goes right over our head. And as I see it go over, then I'm like, oh, we got to do something. And I don't know if I said there was going to be an earthquake or there's this is when the earthquake happened. I don't remember exactly what I was thinking at the time, but I know it had something to do with an earthquake. I'm pretty sure. Um, I was thinking that I needed to get somewhere because there was going to be an earthquake. I guess when that thing hits, I don't know. I mean, there's so much that I don't understand about the dreams, but I know that it's a sign Like when we see that, we'll know that that's when he's about to take us. And it's not the very end, because there's still people that are going to be here. You know what I mean? So it's not the very end. It's like the sixth seal, I think. I think it's the sixth seal. I mean, that's what I think. I don't know why I think that. I can't really say for sure. It's not like God told me, but I just keep getting it. I feel like I get it in my spirit that it's the sixth seal. I've had dreams of rocks falling and stuff, and it was the sixth seal. When I woke up that time, he told me the sixth seal, when the rocks were coming down on us. Well, they weren't hitting us, they were hitting people around us. But like they wasn't hitting me or my family that was with me. So it's really weird. But anyway, so all these dreams go together, I think, and I think they're all related to the sixth seal. So we know that that might be. I'm going to say might be because I can't. We can prophesy in part, but we don't know the whole story. I mean, but we know that when we see these signs, and we see the two moons and all that, we know it's going to be time, and we're already seeing the two moons. There's a couple channels, Our Skies Today, and what's the other one? Um, that has the two. I mean, they're already filming it because they got the Final Days channel. The Final Days channel and Our Skies Today both have shown the things in the sky. They both you can see the red planet on a couple of their videos, and you can see the two moons. So this is not like something we're having a dream about that's not real. It's already here. It's just not close enough to cause the things that we're going to see. And I believe that it's going to cause tidal waves on the ocean, because these planets are big. And I think that the moons